here is I want to show you my recipe for creamy jalapeno corn. So this is, you can do it in your crock pot. So I got my crock pot here, and all you're gonna need is frozen corn, cream cheese, cheddar cheese, heavy cream, some butter, and some Creole seasoning. If you don't have that, just use some salt and pepper and you're good. So we're going to start out by using 4 cups of corn. Now, I do not eat store-bought corn at all, and I don't eat canned corn. I don't like it. So if you don't have home-raised corn, then just get a nice frozen corn, and I would probably get like the creamy, like the cream corn instead of like the kernel corn. So we're gonna start out with 4 cups. Put it straight from the freezer. Never thaw frozen corn. Straight from the freezer into your crock pot. And then you're going to need 2 tablespoons of real butter. Not that stuff you get in the tub, margarine. Oh, I forgot. Of course you're gonna need jalapenos. This is jalapeno, cheesy jalapeno creamy corn. It's good stuff. Okay, so we got our 2 tablespoons of butter in there. Then we're gonna take a 1/2 cup of finely diced jalapenos. Just put them in there. And then we're going to take about a 1/4 cup of heavy cream. And then we are going to take 4 ounces, which if you buy cream cheese, it comes in an 8-ounce package normally. That's the regular size. So you only need 1/2 of one of those. And you're just putting this straight in the crock pot, and because the corn is frozen, you're gonna just put it on high for about an hour and then stir it. High for an hour and then stir it. Now, if you've got to go to work and you can't stir it, that's not like critical or anything. Okay, 1/2 of the cream cheese. So 4 ounces of the cream cheese. And then put in some all-purpose seasoning or Creole seasoning if you like spicy. Use the Creole seasoning. If not, just use like a half a teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 of a teaspoon of pepper. Or, guys, this is not good for you, but this is one of the things we do use that's not good for us. This stuff is amazing. So put about a teaspoon of that in there, tiger seasoning. My great uncle Norman got us hooked on this. You know, people in their 90s, they don't care if something's healthy or not because, you know, it ain't gonna add much life to them. So, but we use it sparingly, but it's good stuff. Okay, so there you have it. We're gonna put it on the crock pot for an hour on high, and then I'm gonna stir it all up, and then I'm gonna turn it down to low, and then I'm gonna put like a cup or a 1.5 cups of cheddar on the top after I stir it, and then cook it for like another hour on low. Okay, so first hour high, stir it, put your cheddar on top, and then the next hour, turn it down to low. And usually in 2 hours, it's good and nice and bubbly. So tell me below, are you gonna make you some creamy, cheesy jalapeno corn? All right, y'all have a good day.